Back at it. Nice sweater. It's not too cold out tonight. Actually kind of too hot in just this. But my goal tonight is to get the engine and transmission back in. Get the drive line length measured. Might as well throw this engine transmission support in while the motor is up, and then get the body set back on the frame to see if I need to cut out the transmission tunnel. Hopefully I do not, but who knows, find out. But tonight, the main reason I need to get the body on, for one, the transmission tunnel, for two, see if these wheels will fit. Right now they have a 1-inch spacer. Probably can't see it because the disc brake's in the way. But yeah, I'm gonna see if they'll fit in the fender well. Plenty of room in this thing. Pretty much need to try to fit the fattest tires I can back there. So yeah, I'm gonna set this down. Hopefully it's a good angle. This is just to protect the flywheel, protect the torque converter, keep junk out of there. That was really smart. If you watched the first video and I cut off this ear because my 4-wheel drive headers don't work with those. But I'm not using the 4-wheel drive headers on these. I didn't think about that before I just went ahead and lobbed it off. Somebody driving by honking. Crazy. Hope we don't wake up the baby. I don't know how many of you guys practice this, but I never like to tighten the bolts until I got them all in place. It's a good way to mess up this aluminum, mess up the bolts. And this little thing is not as cheap as it looks. Wow, that just about fell right into place. I need a little bit of a hammer or a kick. both, who knows? Meant to be. Ford should have came out with this in the first place, I guess. All right. Now, let's figure out the angle. Try something out here. So we're at 90 right now. I need it to be between 92 and 93 degrees. Oh yeah, that's gonna be way too low. All right, so that's as low as I need to be. Even this, I think, would not be enough. That's a bummer. Looks like I'm gonna end up going with this one. Which is pretty funny because I thought this wouldn't fit just from eyeballing it. Funny, 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 funny. Had a lot of people ask how I did this part, so I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna keep my phone in my pocket Just in case the car falls on me, pretty much. So I can text my wife or call her and have her come out and help get it off from me. Yeah, that's my plan anyway. Find a good place to set up the camera. Phone's in my pocket. Just in case. Just in case. Whoa. Woo. Well, that's a bummer. Closer look to what I got going on here. So I need to get the body 21, let's say 22 to be safe inches clearance. Almost there now. I'm gonna keep going though, so I don't have to do it again. So this is what I got going here. I saw somebody do it on YouTube once. So it's gotta be safe. It'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a night. It's late. Got the body on. Gonna have to redo a few things. I am going to have to get lower valve covers, and one, probably most likely relocate my coils. So this is where I need to be, and that's where I am. So I took this back coil off because it was touching. Transmission tunnel's good, so that's a plus. I don't have to cut that out. But one problem that was overlooked, and Gordy told me like 20 times, asked me, are you sure? You sure? Are you sure there's nothing that's gonna be in the way of that coil bar? Are you sure? And I said, no, we're good. We're good. No issue. None at all. Yep. Coil bar's in the way. Coil strut. Not sure what that's called. The bar, the support for the coils is in the way by like a quarter of an inch. A quarter inch. Gordy told me probably 10 times. Check, make sure we had the clearance. At least 10, maybe more. And we don't. Quarter inch. It ain't too bad though. I am gonna cut out the spare tire hole, which I was already planning on doing, because the tires I want to put on here are not gonna fit. So I think what I'm gonna do is just cut this lip, cut like an inch out of it, and then just give the bed a little bit of a slant, a slope there. I think that's my plan. But that's it for tonight. I'm not gonna get the rear end out and ready. Just wanna go in and get this edited and post it up tonight and go to bed. But I got a lot done. I can put my car back in the garage, which is a plus. And it don't look half bad. The engine doesn't sit nearly as high as I thought it would. I'm gonna put the car away, tuck it back against the back wall so I can park my car in here and call her a night. Thanks for watching. Have 44 subscribers now. 44. And like 500 views on the videos, so that's pretty cool. For I think a month ago is when I got this car. I'm gonna keep going. My goal is to get it running and driving by summer. And I have always wanted to have a car cool enough to go to car shows. We can go on the cruise. And now with the family, we have a pretty cool little cruiser. Just got to get it running. It'll get there. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Leave comments. Get that YouTube algorithm going. The YouTube algorithm. However that works. But I've heard that it does. If you look like at the corner of your screen and say please like and subscribe. Something like that.